What's going on, Mopar fam? I hope everybody out there is having a fantastic time. So Justin hit us up and sent us some pictures and video clips of his very sweet 2016 Ram 1500 that is currently running a turbo setup. It has a built and studded 5.7 Hemi engine built by him at his shop. It is currently running one of his Enforcer camshaft setups with a set of PSI springs, TSP lifters, ARP head studs, Mopar gaskets, tie bars, and collars with MDS VVT plugs. On the induction side of things, it's running a Precision LS76 turbo being controlled by a Precision PW46 wastegate, blowing through a Treadstone intercooler, and then coming into a Dr. Differential and Speed Shop 85mm billet throttle body that is attached to a Brian Mason ported 5.7 intake manifold. The E85 fueling is taken care of by a set of Walbro 450 fuel pumps turning on with different boost pressures, flowing through a 1-to-1 Aeromotive style fuel regulator and being injected by a set of fuel injector connection 127-pound injectors. The transmission was gone through by himself and stacked with a set of GPZ clutches, a Circle D 3600 billet stator unit that they specifically spec'd out for this build, power number, and boost levels. Out back, he is running a set of 410 Elite gears on a Auburn limited slip Positrack unit. He is sponsored by Elite Gear, so huge shout out to Ron Schwab at Elite Gear for taking care of him over at Dr. Differential and Speed Shop. The truck is also running a 2.4 drop with rear adjustable panhard bar with Forge Star wheels in race format and Hellcat reps in street form. At the track, it has a set of M&H front runners and Hoosier bias ply slicks for the back. He runs a set of Nitto 420s for his everyday driving. That is a fantastic build, Justin. Very thankful that you shared it with the channel, and that truck is an absolute monster. Let's check this thing out. So I think that's going to do it for today's video. We're going to try to keep doing this, guys. I got a whole bunch more that's already been sent to me. I'm going to try to go through them as soon as I can. And like I said, guys, if you're interested in getting your ride featured or your Mopar build put on the channel, send me a couple pictures of it and your mod list and a background story if you got one for it to frostbiteram57@gmail.com, and we will try to get you put on, man. So, as always, guys, stay safe out there. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap that bell button for the notifications, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace!